PT Trimitra Baterai Prakasa was established in February 1991 and has now already become one of the largest exporters of automotive batteries in Southeast Asia. Located in Simpur Timur, Cilincing, North Jakarta, Indonesia, with a land area of 49,500 square meters and 28,800 square meters for building. Ship out up to 400 containers per month. Assembly lines and 3 wet charging finishing lines with the newest battery technology. The product has been exporting to all over the world, to 52 countries in 5 continents. Also leading domestically with 40% of the market, selling in all corners of Indonesia. The company vision is to be the biggest automotive battery manufacturer in Southeast Asia. We are committed to satisfy our customers' requirements by producing the highest quality products. Also committed to comply with all relevant regulations by implementing continuous improvement related with environment, including pollution and conserving our natural resources. As a global player, the company has been getting many certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, GS marking, Turkish standard, Russian standard, Philippine standard and Indonesia national standard, and awarded with General Motor Best of the Best Supplier in 1997 to 1998, Primaniata Award as Indonesia Best Performing Exporter in 2008, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, and Hipencher Award in implementing equal rights for disabled people working in the factory. The innovative batteries design is done by strong, dedicated and excellent teamwork, and supported with high-end laboratory for research and development. Also always doing continuous improvement from time to time to achieve excellent batteries. To be a green factory is our culture and concern to be environmentally friendly. Our product can be 95% recyclable. In accordance with our commitment to quality, we always use high-quality materials. The purities of our lead and acid material will provide longer battery service life. Manufacturing with the latest technology and automatic system to continuously supply a world-class product with competitive price. Expanded plate technology, which is known for its consistent precision. Many special processes such as acid soaking, automatic curing chamber, plate drying oven designed to produce very strong plates. controlling with high quality standard to assure only good quality product is shipped to our customers. Finally, at the end of the finishing line, every single wet charge battery gets a cranking test by following international standards or customer requirement if applicable. Cycles batteries available in 17 types, from narrow up to N200, with capacity from 35 ampere-hour up to 185 ampere-hour. Marine batteries available in 7 types, from multi up to TIR low, with capacity from 46 ampere-hours up to 96 ampere-hour. With more than 20 years of experience makes our products already become one of the leaders in the market. All the parts are designed through continuous improvement for many years. Battery use innovated grid design and alloy to produce high cranking, high durability and maintenance-free battery. Separator use of microporous polyethylene to prevent micro short, a very low electrical resistance material to get high cranking. Utilized with glass mate material for vibration resistance. Special microfiber separator dedicated for dry charge battery, an anti-short and anti-acid contamination. Wet charge battery utilized with calcium plus and calcium minus lead alloy to get very slow self-discharge and very low water loss. Also provide wet charge batteries with plug type for water refill, dedicated for extra high temperature application. Sealed maintenance-free use innovative labyrinth design to maximize condensation. No need for water maintenance for its entire life. With our strong commitment on quality, cost and delivery, supported by professional human resources, best quality of material and manufacturing process to provide the best service to customers. Best service is our priority.